A little baby hearing only one language is going to hear a whole year of the language before they say their first word. So you need a lot of airtime. So Immersion does two things that are really helpful for language learning. One is you just log more airtime. Instead of taking the time, in English, for example, to say, here is how you say the word water. Nibe. Say nibe. It's all English in one word, right? So you'd say, mio o nibe, giwi minakwene na nibe, and you immerse people in the language so they're getting reinforcement with everything you do. The other thing sometimes surprises people is that the best predictor of the language somebody will speak is not the language of their parents. And it is not the language of their school. It is the language of their peers. So this is what happens if somebody immigrates from a country where, English is not the language of origin to America, is the kids will speak their heritage language with the parents and they start going to school. But then they start speaking English with their friends. And then when they grow up, they're just as likely to marry somebody who doesn't even speak their heritage language. But even if they do, they might try to do that language at home, but the peer language for their kids becomes English. It's really a couple generations, and usually the heritage language starts to break down. So what Immersion does is it's a little more effective at getting the peer language to be your target language.